Hey Sasquatch, you left your phone.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're back with another PACKGOD video. So today we are going to be reacting to another video. Specifically, which one was it? Wait, here it is. So, this is kind of funny because there's two, and yeah, this video exists. So we're gonna be watching the first one. Let's see. Oh, and before we start, guys, make sure you subscribe and like the video. And turn on notifications if you like this. I saw that a lot of you liked the first one. So if you guys want some more of this, just let me know in the comment section. Like the video. Let's try to get this video to 20 likes. And let's begin.
Bro, Jacob, you dirty as hell, bro. You like Harry Potter with a high top fade boy with a hill. It's these
Shut up, bro. Your shit is so lame, bro. You say the same shit every time, bro. Like, holy get a life, man.
I ain't swearing so much.
No, this is not happening. I think I'm dreaming. Somebody pinched me. There's no way.
Yup.
That this dude named Autumn, dressed up like a reptilian Teletubby, is trying to start talking to me. There's literally. Are you?
Every time. Why do they just keep barking? It doesn't make sense. You're not a dog. You're not a cat. You're not
Barking?
What is that? What is it?
Bro, you wanna get loud? And it's boy, you like a velociraptor in a clog toilet bowl. Bro, you like an off-brand Ben 10 character. Now you ain't Ben 10.
Dang, mommy really said that. Oh, nah, bruh. Look at this face. My man is dead.
You Steven 9. Get your where you like you got expelled from working at your lunch lady. Such a where you ain't from Jurassic Park. You came from the prehistoric playground. Get your where you like.
God dang.
Clifford the big red dog's fossil.
Bruh. Mama did not just say that. Nah, we're 50 seconds in. What? 50 seconds in.
What are you talking about your ass? Maybe that your Autumn was an average kid that no one understands. Whoa, mom and dad and grandpa always giving him commands.
That's dark. What? You can't say that. That is funny, but still you can't say that. Nah. That's messed up. That's messed up, bro.
Look at that, bro, your balls dropped and then climb back up, boy. Stop playing me, bro, you sexy identifies an unsolved Rubik's Cube. You made an NFC out of your grandma twerking on a pickle. You tried turning your dishwasher into a Bitcoin mining ring. Your best friend is a little mouse who lives under your bed in a Pringles can. Mom uses a jump rope as a belt. Your grandpa got an emergency heart transplant with a Capri Sun pouch. Your barber lined you up with a weed whacker. You would eat sex with a bummy from brain popping in the encrypted HTML file. Uncle got arrested for eating a blueberry out of an orangutan. So your sister's currently engaged to an anthropomorphic dung beetle named Stefan. Grandpa got held up by a pigeon with a mohawk on the subway. You posted an Instagram story of a Jamaican cricket giving you a lap dance in the back of Toys R Us. Your dad was trying to flip Patrick the Star's belly button limped on the dark web to pay if your house is more.
Okay. Sir? What? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. my friend just came in and asked, "Are you okay?" Okay. What? Excuse me? What is this? What is this?
Your mother bought you a PS5 for successfully drawing a triangle. Your grandpa's bill.
Yeah, the only successful triangle he made is when he traced out his helmet. His fursuit helmet. Like, come on, bro. My man looking like a Dorito. That's what came out of his butthole when he put.
Expired jug, and your legal name is Flame Claw. First it was not done with you, bro. I'm not done with you, bro. You better get your hippopotamus smelling cocoa melon, registered internet felon, nasty and need a cleanse, foster home for imaginary friends. Excuse me, I only date tens. Looking outside of my face, but stop playing, bro. Answer to using your grandma's butt crack as a slip and slide. In fact, you finna pull up to your grandmother's funeral dressed up as a rabbit orangutan. Yo, for real, what you be like? I'm sorry, grandma. Stop playing me, bro. You my nasty as hell, bro. Bro, you be hitting on girls at lunchtime with your sacred mating call. You be standing up the table like,
I stopped it. What is this? Okay, first of all, second of all, what is this? What is this, dude? Yo, wait, hold up. Excuse me? Ice, fire in background, person. Ice, fire in background, Goku, which is a person. And then there's just approve. And then there's this the Dorito with a dinosaur face, bro. What is that? My man looking like a lemur that just grew Clifford's hair, bro. Like what? Oh, and what is this?
stop playing, bro. You my nasty as hell, bro. But you better get your pterodactyl, good at Scrabble, shriveled apple, attracted to beef cattle, conceived on a horse saddle. You don't run, you skedaddle, pastor did questionable things to you in the middle of a church chapel. Look at back, boy, you my dirty as hell. But you get your
What did that say?
shriveled apple, attracted to beef cattle, conceived on a horse saddle. You don't run, you skedaddle, pastor did questionable things to you in the middle of a church chapel. Look at back, boy, you my dirty as hell. But you get your all of you hoes, all of you hoes. You don't remember who y'all talking to? It's the Discord CEO. Look at back out of my face, boy, you my dirty as hell. Get your little diggity song, boy. Bro, I'm dead. I'm dead, bro. What you gotta say, Autumn? What you gotta say now, bro? What you gotta say now, bro?
Look at this dude. This man was just like a shrinked emoji, just like, what is going on here, sir? Dude, my man laying in bed like, zesty ranch Ringo. Like, what is that? I need ready to mingle. I'm joking. But what is that, bro? Excuse me, sir, what is it? I'm still confused. Why his face look like a messed up, deformed, nacho cheese Dorito, bro? Nah, he ain't nacho cheese, he nacho fees. My man needs to pay fees to even get looked at by his father. I swear to God.
Bro, this shit, bro.
Bro, he lived! Oh my god, he lived!
Nah, bro, imagine leaving. Like, that's just... Oh, he actually put him in... I thought that was a meme. No, wait, it is a meme. Oh, my second channel. Oh. Discordia. Anyway. And now we're doing... Okay, I didn't plan this bit. But we're gonna do another one. I did not plan this. Let's look at his most popular roast. Cause I've seen a lot of these. And I'm honestly curious about this. So, PACKGOD's best roast 2022.
Try this 3-minute shower routine to quickly get rid of toenail fungus,
Also,
itchy skin,
do
and
not
smelly
follow
feet.
these. Do not follow these.
World-renowned and
These things are.
Boy, nah, for real though. You really thought I wasn't gonna get to the packet on nasty ass boy. You about dirty. You like Barack Obama's autistic cousin. What know how about dumbass boy? You ugly. Shut your ugly ass up, boy. And the dude in the back, you look like a suicide girl from Halo 3. Your ass ugly, boy. Shut your nasty ass up. When I really better get to the packet, boy. You better get your shopping cart crippled. Got an A, mom, I'm smart, bubble bass, wax your ass, COVID's real, where's my mask? Shoot on pencil, little freckle, bought a bike, got no pedals. This
Tell me you're NMN based off of a Walmart without telling me you're an M&M based off of Walmart, bro. I swear to God, he can rap this fast, and then he has a voice changer, and it just... If he was on M&M voice, and it's just PACKGOD, and he starts rapping like this, he'll He'll be the Walmart version of Slim Shady, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. W's for Walmart.
Saber crumple bag, dirty rag, Fortnite lag, absent dad, hit the dab, scally rag, Canadian.
Dang!
Like humpback, sweaty snap, buckle rap, buckle flap, it's a trap. Broke it down, 2 minute shoot on a racer, 13 on vapor, windows to wallpaper, dump truck, Donald Duck, tummy tub, ayo, what the ping pong, wing wrong, hit the dong, extend the thong, Hong Kong, Disney sing along, disrespectful to your mom, feel my arm, is it strong?
You look like a double dip chocolate chip, cliff lip, charcoal, slim jim with a gargle nose, and Mr. Carter hunchback, no feet, 9 arms, 7 stomachs, 2 ball fades, your stepdad beat you to a wiffle ball bat. You're curled up into a ball like an autistic PACKGOD. You live in a sophisticated mud hut. Your washing machine is a bucket of water. You brush your teeth with your grandpa's back scratcher, and you floss your teeth with zipline cables. I got you jerking off in a porta potty with a Thanos gauntlet on, where your grandmother got simultaneously butt fucked by a clan of chimpanzees dressed up as the Wiggles, while you snorted Keemstar's cotton and keep you off the back of a dirty toilet seat, my boy. You are really ugly like shit. You ain't walking lips, DJ trunks. Every time your dad asks you a question at dinner, you say, okay, and start fucking lagging.
You ugly. Show us your face so we can judge it. You shy.
I'm shy. You mow the lawn by eating the grass. Your entire face looks like a Black Ops 3 map. Face tempered.
Call somebody a cow without telling them they're a cow.
Shy.
I'm shy. You mow the lawn by eating the grass. Your
That's how.
entire face looks like a Black Ops 3 map. Face tempered. You said a 360 no scope off your left eyebrow. Your entire head looks like a tentacle with pubes on top. Your grandmother's built like a geriatric Blastoise. You told you.
Sir. Nah, I'm gonna really hit him with a Blastoise joke though.
Bubble beam and she just makes diarrhea in her pants. That do right? You made a Fortnite montage out of your parents' sexting. Your dad just gave away your house's mortgage to an anti-Semitic gangbanging mole rat in your basement. Every Sunday morning, your mother goes to a food pantry and lactates lemon juice out of her nipples for starving underprivileged Indian midgets. Your grandfather's dentures are a power.
That's kind of racist, but I did not.
Up in Black Ops Zombies 2. After the police saw your hairline, they made your barber do a breathalyzer test. I'm gonna get to the cooking now, boy. You brought a boogie bomb to prom with you just in case you ran out of dance moves. For a 2K wager, you got banned from every zoo in your state because every time the monkeys see your hairline, they turn into Curious George. Now, are you a little Discord peasant who can't afford Nitro? Do you want free Discord Nitro and Nitro Basic for literally doing nothing? Words by put and more? You can basically post salad as 1,000 positive reviews of salad, and when you do, use code PACKGOD. It's an amazing way for you guys to support. It's been amazing. Let's go. Anyway, now I think it's time to be blunt. I'm done with your shit, and you're a fucking.
Oh no! I didn't really mean to. That was good and all. Fly. All right. Now, okay, I'm lucky scared though, because I think. All right, Pack, you.
I'm ready to die.
I'm ready to die. Good. Pack God.
Is that you in the profile picture?
It is.
Mr. Dirty as fuck, bitch. Look at your dirty, disgusting, dingy ass Monopoly Man mustache you got under your nose, bitch. You be sliming that shit up and rubbing it every night before you start rapping on Discord. Now we better get to the pack, the rapping, the dipping, the dabbing, the flipping, the flopping, the dipping, the nothing, the Wait, hold up, bitch. Open your mouth. Help me out in the flippity, hippity, dippity, fuck. Your grandfather lost a 7-hour stare. Your grandma got a speeding ticket for brushing her teeth. No, what the
Dang! Oh my God! I am honestly surprised PACKGOD can do what he does and not get banned on Twitch or literally anything. Nah, bro. Cause there was one video about him saying that Discord was gonna sue. I think I've already like watched that. Wait, hold up. Let me see. Yeah, I think I have a video on this. Let me see if I can find it. Hold up. I even spelled my sorry, I have my mic in front. See this one? Go watch this, please. Please watch it. Please watch this, please. But yeah, I already made one on there, but yeah, somebody put in the comments, PACKGOD just finna roast, like start packing in court, and it was the funniest thing of, like, that's the funniest ever, to be honest. That is the funniest. That is actually the funniest part of it. Just by far, it's just so funny. Also, by the way, guys, they're all same videos. it's 6 days ago. I thank you guys so much for 79 views. Thank you guys so much. By the way, just a reminder, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it costs absolutely nothing. But back to the video. If you see this, just know that they're the same video. They're not by the same person, but it's still the same video. This is why it really depends on the kind of personality and everything you guys have. See, that's 4 months ago. It's the same video that these guys do. It got 1.2 million views. 24K, same video, same 4 months ago. 2.5K views 4 months ago. And then there's my video 6 days ago with 79 views. Guys, just make sure. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How does that make sense? How does that make sense? Like, where's the million view again? Where'd it go? Where did it? Okay, see there. He's only 3 million behind at the same time marking it. But yeah, guys, definitely go check out PACKGOD. He is the GOAT of, roasting and everything. You know what I want to see? I want to see Blueface versus PACKGOD. I want to see that. Or like Mr. Beast versus PACKGOD. I want to see this. I want to see this collab like a lot. But yeah, guys. One more thing. Shout out to Cakecraft Plays. He was live like 9 months ago. But he is my first subscriber. Definitely go subscribe to him and click this button and then put all, and that is how you support him, guys. Do that for me too, but do it to him more. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.